The biggest concern of the flood situation in the nation now is the humane aid needed in the affected areas. However, it is sad that the unfortunate sack of scores of communities by the flood is not getting the humanitarian response it requires. The DLB Foundation took some relief materials to some camps, and what we brought made a world of difference to them. But we also saw that more aid was needed.
Some of us, we have lost our mud houses. We don't know where to go, even what to do. Like personally myself, I attach myself somewhere.
So how many children will you get?
I have 6 children.
This flood, the disturbance too much. Our house fall. We no get there, they go no get the village again. I'm from Ahoada West. So if you go to my community now, you will see any building again. As of now, me I no get house again. That's how the thing be. Likewise here, the same thing. If you go to inside here now, many buildings, all of them don't fall. Block house remaining. That's the thing.
The living conditions of those displaced in the Obogu community of Obandoni can be described as crude. With the flood came reptiles and other creeping things, and all the people had for roof over their heads was an uncompleted school building. The rooms were overcrowded, the building was uncompleted, the roofs were partly torn open, no doors, no windows, no floors, no toilets, no bathrooms. Away from the flood, their conditions are even worsened by inhumane camp management, because we gathered that even the little that is sent for relief is stolen from the people and sold for gain. It is surely a humanitarian crisis, and while it is not in our immediate power to do something about the flood, we can do something about the people and the aid they get.
They are not that they are trying, they are trying, the government, they are trying very, even people from outside, they are helping, but they are not trying. Those people that is leading us, let me say the committee, they are taking those, I don't know where they are taking those things to. The thing is not reaching us. As you can see, look at this, our room. We are lying on the floor. We are just spreading ordinary wrapper. If I open my bag for you, you will be eating a mosquito. Ants, different ants is biting me. So me, I am tired of sleeping on the floor. Yes.
Before one attempts to speak of politicizing the gestures made by the DLB Foundation to provide relief for the IDP camps, it is important not to forget the person in question. DLB has always sought ways to help, and he has goodwill piled up from having the culture of impacting lives. Seeking for ways to help is the humane and required thing to do now, and DLB has said that he will pay frequent visits to those camps till the situation improves. It is imperative that we put our party colors aside and collaborate to provide sustained help, because the flood knows no party colors or faithfuls, just humans and properties in its pathway.